Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, syempre bago po yung Romy at alam na ng first kaya kailangan po muna natin yung wish ni Mami at ni Daddy para po sa kanya. So, Mami?
It's always a challenge. Well, first and foremost, thank you po sa lahat na nandito ngayon and with us sa celebration ng first birthday ng aming baby girl. Okay, so, katulad ng mga usual wishes ng parents sa kanilang anak. So, we hope and pray that si Al will grow up to be a healthy, loving, intelligent, smart baby girl who will soon to be ate. And mabait sa kanyang Kuya Trey, mabait na anak, mabait na daughter of God. So, yun yung aking wish. How about you, honey?
I wish that all your wishes will come true.
Okay, so ready, Ate Al? So, blow na natin. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! No, okay, so talaga naman po natin si Baby Al. So, ayan po, thank you very much po. So, okay, so sito muna po tayo. Tula po natin. Special guest natin tayo sa McDonald's Land. Ayan,